wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best well water test kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the Watts Premier All-in-One provides you with 2 tests for each of 12 potential contaminants and water conditions, and 1 each for lead, pesticides and bacteria, so you should be all set once you've completed the whole routine. It produces color-coded results and no chemistry knowledge is required, but its lead measurement can be inaccurate. At number 8, though some of its results are hard to discern, the First Alert WT1 is an overall effective and inexpensive way to measure a variety of common issues. Additional directions exist online for anyone finding themselves confused with this one. It comes from a trusted company and provides accurate bacteria measurements. However, the included instructions are unclear. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Test Assured Complete Water Analysis comes with a meter that displays total dissolved solids in parts per million, giving you a precise sense of its purity and safety. This option performs 10 tests at once, setting a benchmark for efficiency. It's equipped with a hold function on the meter and tests for nitrites, but it is pricier than similar items. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for well water test kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Drinking Water Specialist's Essential Indicators leaves the majority of the difficult work to their lab technicians. This one arrives with a bacteria test to be conducted at the source and a container to send in a sample to be appraised for over 170 contaminants. It measures 85 volatile chemicals, and the lab has over 20 years' experience. However, it doesn't include return shipping. Moving up our list to number 5. Most people testing their H2O are interested in bacteria and iron levels, as these are the most prevalent nuisances in any underground source. The watersafe WS425W focuses on these in particular, though it does measure a few other common contaminants as well. It works very quickly and offers a simple operation, but it does produce occasional false positives. At number 4, if you need something to check bacteria and nitrite levels in your source, the afwfilters purtest is easy to use, accurate, and based on EPA testing methods. It's packaged with a useful book to get you up to speed on what's safe and what isn't. It detects E. coli and coliform and comes with straightforward instructions. However, it includes only 1 bacteria test. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Safe Home Ultimate is no lightweight option, as it can provide information on 200 contaminants, making it one of the most complete selections you can have at your disposal. You should expect results in about 7 to 10 business days after the lab receives your sample. It covers pesticides and herbicides and comes with a DIY bacteria test. Results arrive via email. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for well water test kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, excessively hard water can be a nuisance, as it can leave a cloudy film on your dishes and cause scale buildup in your pipes. If you suspect you have a hardness problem, you might want to grab the hach Model 5B. It's a drop count titration system that anyone can use. It contains 100 tests and comes in at a budget-friendly price. It's more accurate than strips. And coming in at number 1 on our list, an inexpensive option, the Health Metric Kit is capable of testing for the most common contaminants, including lead and coliform. It's calibrated to Environmental Protection Agency standards and designed for simplicity, so you don't need a degree in chemistry to use it. It includes 2 4-way hardness strips, and the components are labeled well. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for well water test kits, or simply click beneath this video.